In today's video, I'm going to teach you Caricature Design Effect in Canva. We'll start inside Canva by opening a template that matches the size or layout you want for your design. This gives you a ready-made canvas and saves time later. Next, head to the Uploads tab and bring in the photo you want to use. A clear, front-facing shot with good lighting works best for this look. Drag the image onto the canvas so you can begin editing. Open the background removal tool to isolate the subject. If any areas need cleanup, switch to the eraser and then the magic eraser. Click, hold, and drag over the parts you want to remove, like leftover background edges or stray objects. Adjust the brush size as you go. Use a smaller brush around hair and fine details, and a larger one for big areas. Brush over everything you want gone, then apply the erase action to commit those changes. Once the subject is isolated, crop away any excess blank space around the image to keep your canvas tidy. Now, go to the Apps section and search for Cartoonify. Open it and choose the option to cartoonify your image. Give it a moment to process. This stylizes your photo into a graphic, making it perfect for a caricature effect. Return to Uploads and add a caricature body graphic. Drag it onto the canvas and resize it. Then resize the head so it's slightly exaggerated, larger than the body for that playful caricature feel. Position them together and send the body behind so the head sits naturally on top. Take a moment to nudge and align until the proportions feel right. When you're happy, go to Share and download the design with a transparent background. Choose a format that supports transparency so you can reuse it anywhere. Upload that new image back into Canva to refine the final look. With the image selected, open Edit and then Shadows. Add an outline to make the character pop. Adjust the outline settings, size, offset, blur, and color, so it frames the head and body cleanly. A slightly thicker stroke with low blur often reads well, but tweak it to fit your design style and background. And that's the Caricature Design Effect completed from start to finish. You've isolated the subject, stylized it, assembled the head and body, exported with transparency, and finished with a crisp outline. Follow these steps, experiment with proportions, and you'll have a fun, polished caricature ready for social posts, thumbnails,